All right, let's continue solving x and y in isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle, which means these two base angles gonna be congruent. I'm gonna give it some color. You can see these two base angles. Now we got a triangle has 3 family members. If we put them together, we're going to get 180 degrees. So the first member says I am 4x plus 10 degrees. And the next 2 members, I'm going to put them together. So 2 times x minus 2 degrees equals 180. And 4x plus 10 plus 2x minus 4 is 180. Combine like terms, 6x plus 6 is 180. Minus 6 each side, we have 6x is 174 divided by 6 each side, and x is 29. We got x is 29. Let's look at here. Now, what is the relationship between this exterior angle 3y and this 2 non-adjacent exterior angle? Remember, if we add these two, we add them, it will always be the measure of this exterior angle. Okay? All right. Or we can do a different way. We can do another way. Different approach is, let's look at what is happening to here. Did you see this angle is also x minus 2? Why? Because it's isosceles triangle, 2 base angles congruent. So which means we can write down really quickly, and it is a faster way. Plus this x minus 2 is 180. What is happening? This is happening. You see this red dot angle is 3y degrees. You see this white one, I put a white one here. These two guys, they are linear pairs. Linear pairs is straight angle. Straight angle is 180. All right, we just find x is 29. We can use this. We can say 3y plus 29 minus 2 is 180. All right, go ahead, solve for y. And I run a space, so I'm not going to go through step by step. I know you're really good at this. So we're going to go ahead and solve for y. Y is 51. Okay, we are done here. Color our solution. Happy learning.